Hello, now we are going to start array, integer array in Java. Array is a collection of similar data type. It is a collection of homogeneous elements. All array in Java are by default dynamic in nature without using pointer. In case of CCPP, for dynamic memory allocation, we will use pointer. But here in Java, whenever you declare the array, then array is by default dynamic in nature. As well as it has dot length constant, which determines the dynamic length of array within the any function. Do you remember whenever you create array in case of C or CPP, and if you want to pass that array to a function, then compulsory there is one more value is passed, that is length of your array, or n value, which indicate the number of elements stored in array. But in case of Java, we have directly dot length constant. Any type of array, integer or characters, okay, string array, as well as matrix also, we have a dot line constant which return total number of elements stored in array. Let us see how to declare array. You can declare array by using data type variable name square bracket equal to new data type in bracket square bracket size. It is a fixed size array. This is also fixed size array. But if you want to create a dynamic array, then declare array with empty square bracket, and then after that you need to allocate memory for it by using new operator. Okay, array is similar to C and CPP, therefore the subscript of array is always start from 0 till the number of elements minus 1, that is lower bound is 0 and upper bound is n minus 1. Okay, here in case of Java, integer allocate 4 bytes in memory, therefore your single element of your single array allocate 4 bytes. If you have an array of 5 element, then it will allocate 20 bytes in memory. Okay, let us see the example. You need to store this file within program files, Java folder, JDK bin. Okay, for input, you need to import java.io.star. As we know that you have to write here throws exception or IO exception. Okay, create object of, suppose here we use data input string. Create the object by using new operator. Okay, now declare the dynamic array integer x. Okay, first ask user to enter size of array. Now declare one variable n which accept the size of elements of array. Okay, now allocate the memory for this array is equal to new integer in bracket number of elements. This is a dynamic memory allocation for array. Initially this array allocated 4 bytes in memory, after that 4 into number of bytes, that is it extend the memory. Okay, now get ready to scan the element of array. Enter, give the message like this. Here also you use x dot length constant, but we have the value of n also. Now scan one by one element. X of I is equal to, okay. After that, print elements. Here we need to print element by using, suppose, okay, first simply print the element. Okay, as well as here print element as well as its size or its locations. How it is? Let us see. X bracket. After that, here we want value of I. Bracket is closed. There is equal to sign. After that, keep here some space. X of I. Okay. Let us see the output. What happened? Okay. Enter size of array. Suppose 7. Put the element. Okay. Here is the first element is stored at the address of x of 0, and the last one is number of element minus 1, that is x of 6. Okay. By using this concept you can perform different type of array program. Let us say one more program. Suppose here we want merge array. Merge means what? Concat. That is two array are combined to a single array or third array. Okay. You can create object of buffer reader or data input stream. Here suppose we use buffer reader. Okay, first ask user to enter size. Here we directly ask enter size of first and second array. Take NNM. Okay. Now scan the one by one element of array. Before that, declare array in bracket n, as well as declare y array and specify the size M. Okay. Now scan the elements of array. You need here loop. Okay. Now repeat this part and scan element of Y array. Okay. Now for merge element, we need a third array. Therefore, declare the third array z is equal to new integer. The size of z array is counted the size of x array plus y array because it is a combination of two arrays. As well as here we need one more variable k equal to 0. Now first read the element from x array. Simply z of k equal to x of I and k plus plus. One by one element from x array copy to a z array. After this, we have to put element of y array also. If the value of element size of x is 5, then k is located at the 6th position, and then from that position we entering the elements of y array. Okay. Now print the output. Okay. Here we use n plus m or simply k. We can also use here instead of print ln print function, but here must give the separation. Suppose here we give slash t or tab stop. Okay. What happened here? Okay. We need one more bracket main and class. Suppose the first array is of 4 size, second one is of 5 size. This element of second array, suppose 5 to 1. Okay, what happened? Let us check the output. Oh, here we need to print Z array, not a Y array. It is a drawback of copy paste. Here is the output. First, here are the element of X array 1, 2, 3, 4, and then follow the element of Y array. Okay, like this you can perform copy array in reverse order or intersection union. Then let us see how to pass this array to a function. Okay, for that purpose we use a sorting of array. Sort array. Program to sort elements. Okay, here also we need size of array. Before that, if you want to first write a function for sorting, then write a function. Function should be public, static. Here we handle array, therefore by default array is passed by reference to a function, therefore use return type for while, and name of function sort. Here we use suppose one array. Okay, now for sorting we need a temp variable. Okay, now let us start the process. I is less than now x dot, sorry, not x, a dot length, compare here to array elements of a of I to the elements of a of j. Okay, then swap the values. Okay, let us check the brackets. If inner for, outer for, and function. Okay, then continue the program. Enter the size for array. Okay, now declare the array. Okay, you have to first need to scan array and then call the function. Let me copy. Okay, first enter the element of array, then print the array before sorting. Elements of array. After that, call the function sort, pass here x array, and then print after sorting. Okay, now print, close the main, close the class. Where we use d? Okay, instead of here we need to use br. Okay, before sorting 12 to 23. After sorting, elements are arranged in ascending order. Okay, here is the sorting of program by using function. You can also create function for get array and show array also. Suppose here in case of merge array, if we want to change this program by using function, here we need get array and show array function also. Okay, then suppose cut this part. First take a function public static void get array. But here in this function, if you want to scan the element of array, then here also you need to throws IO exception. Okay, here pass one more variable object of buffer reader, because otherwise if you don't want the one more argument to a function, then you have to again declare object of buffer reader under this function. Okay, here we simply pass the object, and now oh, we don't need message here. Okay, the argument is x, therefore x of I br dot readline, and instead of this m, use here x dot length. It is a function for get array. If you want function for show array also, just copy paste it, change the name of function show array. We need here only to pass single array. Okay, and now print this array. Where is our message? Ah, okay, it is a function of show array. And now get one more function for merge array. Uh, Take a merge AR name, because array, name of our class is also merge array. Here we need three array. If you keep the same name for main elements of variables of main and variables of function, then also it is fine. It is a basic rule. Okay, cut all this and put it over here. But here the k is a local variable to merge array function. Okay, now change the main program. Here you declare element of you declare two arrays. Now scan the element, enter, give the same message. Okay, now call the function get array and pass here x and br. Again here call function and pass here y. Okay, now call the function for merge array. Name of function is merge ar, pass here x, y and z. Okay, and then here also call the function for show array z. Okay, it is the simple process. You can write whole program by using function. Okay, okay, instead of n here use x dot length and y dot length. The output is same. Run it again. It is the merge of array by using function. All this program like only a C language. If you want to practice this program, then or you should practice this program by using programs from C language or array programs, intersection, copy, reverse, union of array. All these programs are possible in Java by using such concept. Okay, in next lecture we will start string, that is character array. Thank you.